In this video, I'm going to show you how to search developer's address on X using Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. You will not regret it. So to actually search a developer's address on X, with Axiom, you can go ahead and just open up one random token. I'm going to go ahead and click on, for example, let's just click on this token over here. And then you can scroll down here on the right hand side until you see token info. If that's not basically opened up, you can click on that. It's going to extend. And down here at the bottom, you can see the developer address. And then if you click this search button, it's going to say search on Twitter. So just click this magnifying glass. It's going to direct you to X, or formerly known as Twitter, and it's going to search for that specific address. So as you can see, for this address, there weren't any results. But in case, of course, there are any results, it's going to show you the results over here on the list. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.